Hello guys, happy Thanksgiving! Ayan, we are here in the Outlet Mall and we are going to do the $100 challenge. Kung anong pabibili natin within the $100 during the Black Friday. Ayan. Ayan, siya yung nagbigay ng $100. Siya ang sponsor natin. So, yes, he gave me $100 for the budget today. So let's see. So this one is $14 each. So I'm gonna buy two. It's gonna be 28 plus tax. So ayun, hindi kami nakapag-video kanina dahil sobrang dami ng tao. Tapos ang lamig-lamig namin. Ito yung nabili namin within $100. Nakabili, yes, the $100 challenge. Nakabili ako ng facial wash na yung Ordinary brand. Ang price nito ay, how much is this? Ang price nito ay nasa $9.15 lang. Tapos nakabili ako ng dalawang shoes, Adidas. Ayan. This is just worth 30. How much is this one? $37.02. Ayan, marami kaming na-discount dyan. Okay, I will remove that one. You have to wait. And then, may nabili pa akong ganito. This one is for Sky. This one is so nice. Diba?
You have to put your face.
You can put your face there. Ito kay Sky. Ito, discounted din to. Super sale. Tapos ito, mga boots. Nila Yasi. And nila Maggie. Yan. Ito kay Yasi to. Nabili namin yan. Sa, is that Carter or Oshkosh? Oshkosh. Yan. Ito kay Maggie. Nabihan ko pa sila ng boots. For winter na worth how much? Ang nagastos namin sa Carter's Oshkosh, ang nagastos namin ay $38.70. So, may sukli pa kami sa $100. 37 plus 38 plus 9 basta marami. So, naka 84.87 lang lahat ang nagastos namin. May sukli pa kami 15
Bigyan po naman kayo sa carpet. Magbabayad tayo sa carpet niyan.
Iyan, sa sobrang dami. Sulit naman. Lahat ng nabili namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 items na nasa $85 lang. Ayun. Sobrang mura kanina. Pero sobrang daming tao. Sobrang lamig din. Kaya umuwi na kami. Yan lang. Thank you guys for watching our mini vlog.